In this video, we're heading to the legendary Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Vietnam's most iconic natural wonders. If you want to see the city side of Vietnam, make sure to check out my Hanoi vlog, linked in the description below. Enjoy the journey, and let's get into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, watching from all over the world, I'm here at Halong Bay. This is one of Vietnam's crown jewel destinations and it's a must visit if you come to Hanoi. This is one of the world's few UNESCO protected sites. What that means is that it's not just Vietnam that looks after this, but this area receives funding from the entire world and cannot under any circumstance let it go to harm or be devastated or damaged. And you can tell when you hear how well looked after it is. Not only that, there's no plastic bottles allowed on the cruise. So the moment you board the cruise to come here, they actually tell you to take your plastic bottles out because you're not allowed to litter plastic here at all. The name Halong means descending dragon. And the theory or the story behind this is that dragons descended from heaven to protect Vietnam, and these mountains were basically established. Each of these islands have their own story and they have their own secret and they have their own lagoons and caves. So there's plenty to see here. But if you're just sitting on the cruise or standing here and just looking at these mountains, I mean, that's just breathtaking in its own view. So now we're here, we're pulling into the first spot. Look at that. You can do the kayaking here. So you can get on the kayaks, speedboats, go into the mountains. Check out that cruise over there. It's a party cruise. You got another one over there. You got all different types of cruises you can book. And we're here at the tip-top island, which is the beach island. Heaps of people here, but you got like stalls and stuff, food, fruits. The food kind of has a strong smell to it. Look at this. Got the statue out here of GX T-Top, 1935 to 2000. Option 1. So you can do the hike. You can go up here all the way to the top of that. Option 2 is you can play on the beach. So you got to see these people here. They're playing beach volleyball. Option 3, go for a swim in that ocean. And actually a bonus option is you can actually stay on the cruise. And the cruise will take you like roughly around there, midway. Check this out. This is actually a pretty popular game that the Vietnamese play. And it's, they get a shuttlecock and they basically have to kick it with their legs. It requires so much skill. Oh my god, this one's actually a good rally. Oh my god. These guys are going crazy on this one. Oh. 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 Wow, good job, man.
Okay guys, and now I'm gonna give you guys some information.
You guys have seen Halong Bay, now let me show you what it was like to get there. Enjoy the prologue in Halong City.
It is the smallest. The color is white, like this. But second one, it is the biggest. The color is white and yellow. Very clear, two colors.
The guy on the screen, his name is David, and he's trying to sell us some Jewels and Jade in Halong City. This is a common stop that people make when they book the Halong Bay tour. Why? Well, according to Vietnamese legend, a family of dragons was sent by the gods to protect the country from invaders, spitting out jewels and jade that transformed into the thousands of limestone islands and islets of Halong Bay. Also another reason why, because it's a tourist attraction, and the jewelry he was selling was not cheap, but I'll give it to him. He was exactly like Saul Goodman, if you've ever seen Breaking Bad. Okay, let's get back to it.
And last one, many people like this color, it is a black one. black color. However, this one 2 years, black one 4 years, and the biggest one 6 years. I show you now. That is a seed, SEED. But it's not plastic. It's made from the shell and one seed. Yeah, look at her, look at her. You can take a picture. Yeah, she show you. You can see by your eyes. Yeah, look at that. It looks like dentist or IVF, you know? IVF, yes. Like a baby, yeah?
Like a baby.
I make you laugh and you laugh. but everybody, look at me, look at me, look at me. Can you guess?
3.
No, 30% success. Oh, not much. Because 2 years, not 2 days, is a different. 5% it is perfect. And 25% is not perfect. I show you now. 25% it is not round, right? But we don't throw away. No. This one to make cosmetics. The cream by branded. Yeah, alright. And of course 5% to make jewelry. So nothing is wasted. Alright.
I think he's showing us how oysters are basically making, I don't know, into pearls or something. Bro, look at this guy's energy. If you've ever seen Better Call Saul Goodman, this is him, bro. David. So is that, so this is oyster to make pearl?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Where are they, Dash? Here.
There.
They're coming.
Yeah. So
Come here.
you
Lewandowski. Ben, come here. This area is the place we make the jewelry. I told you upstairs, 5% it is perfect. These are 5%, perfectly round. Look at him. What is he doing? He is drilling a hole. Yeah, to make the jewelry very carefully, very delicate. So we want to give you the best quality. That's why we have to do very carefully and slowly. If you want smaller size, 2 years. Bigger size, 4 years or 6 years. Please.
what's the 6 years, David?
6 years.
6 years. You said 6 years. Is that how long it takes?
6 years, big size.
Big size.
Of course,
Okay.
longer time, bigger size.
The oyster.
Maximum is 8 years.
8 years life.
Yeah, it is lifetime.
Oh.
We have different colors. Why is that?
Yeah.
Because they depend on the depth of water or the food or the temperature. That's why we have different colors. The popular color is white and the rare color is blue. I show you now.
He's talking about those blue color ones and then the white color ones.
So on the price here is American dollars, okay?
When you book the Halong Bay tour, they take you to this area where they're making jewelry from like oysters and sea creatures. It's basically just a jewelry store. Pearls, you can see here, you got this, all these beautiful pearls. So this is all from oysters.
For oysters,
Oyster. So all the jewelry here you're seeing is made from oysters.
real.
Oh, I want to buy stuff.
They have like literally multiple thousands dollars worth of pearls, necklaces made from oysters here.
Makes sense. I'd say probably more.
Yeah, the premium ones over there.
Yeah.
Like, let's have a look at the prices. Let's see how much this one costs.
Yeah, there's a 45 million VND.
36 million that one, Viet pearl. Dude, they're expensive, bro. One pearl, 35 million VND. And as we get deeper into this area, pearls get more expensive. So you can see how they're making it, the pearl. You can see the detail precision that goes in over here as well. You've got these guys working on the final touches of the pearl, sharpening that ring. Pretty cool, man, seeing these people like doing it here. Upstairs, it was extracting like the stuff from that oyster to make these pearls. And then here's the final product when you enter in and you can explore. I'm not gonna lie, man, it's very expensive. You can buy some items here, but I remember this is my second Halong Bay tour, and I remember the first time as well, they had this section. You just gotta walk through the maze. I've shown you guys some of the pearls already. There's heaps here, I'm not gonna go through it. But if you do book a Halong Bay tour, you're gonna have to experience this. You got a cafe here, you buy a beer, you got food. I've got a buffet organized for the cruise. No food for me now, I'm just gonna get some fresh air. This is meant to be a 30 to 40 minute wait. We just gotta wait here. It's already It's 11:37 in the morning. We got on the bus at 8:20 a.m. So it's actually already been 3 hours almost. Well, 3 hours, yeah. We're in Halong. We haven't made it to the Halong Bay area. We gotta get on the cruise. It's a full day event, but I'm enjoying it so far. I think you should for sure book a cruise to go to Halong Bay. You can do it individually as well, and they say you can save more money. But I mean, our cruise is like $70. But you get a cool tour guide who's funny. Other people are with you all over the world. Our tour bus has people from Pakistan. They got people from Taiwan. We got people from Poland. It's cool, man. Meet other people from all over the world. Have a bit of chat, a bit of banter. It's a joint experience. Don't be a lone wolf in life. Only when you're trying to grind and move up in life. But when you're going on these tour adventures, we meet some cool people. All right, we've made it to the where the cruise ferries are. You can see they're all lined up here. You can see the houses there. Beautiful apartments, houses. At least right now on this side, you can see a bit of activity. But when we were driving down, man, you just look out the window, there's nobody because there's houses and apartments behind these buildings, like a main suburb area. You could say like, it's because it's like we're 3 hours away from Old Quarter. Nobody lives out here, only the workers. It's meant to be like this really nice by the river, by the ocean, resort kind of vibe. Then COVID happened and that just essentially took away any kind of prospect of this becoming anything more. Bro, they got us with the buffet. Look at this. All right, so now you've seen it. The 4 activities you can do here in Halong Bay. You've got the kayaking and speedboat, or you've got the T-top island where you can go all the way to the top and get this view. You can go to the beach, you can play beach volleyball, you can go for a swim. And the 4th activity, which I think I will do the next time because this is my second time here, is get a nice cruise, get in the jacuzzi, get in the pool, and you can party it up on the cruise ships while you're coming around here. I'll link the cruise that I took down below. You can check it out. I booked everything on trip.com. You can book your stuff wherever you like. Halong Bay out.